Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Invedio AI video generator application. So it's really simple. First of all, you need to install this app in your device from Google Play Store and App Store. Then simply tap on the open button. Then you have to create your account. It's really simple. I created videos how to create your account. You can watch that videos. So you need to wait. I already created the account. So here you can see it's really simple. The first interface like you can create, and you can see here you have to give the prompt like topic, detail instructions in any language. So any language you can give the instructions. So you can select here Invedio AI 1 version 1 version 2 version 3. So I can just give the uh, latest one. So I'm just creating the video like, okay, create a video, create a video about upcoming AI technology. Okay, and then you can give 32,000 text here, and you can choose here like which type of videos you want, like YouTube Shorts or explore all flows. So you can see here I just minimize this time, use my script. So you can give your script here. So I just keep a make explainer video or okay, I just select it here. You can give the type your topic. So you can give your topic and you can select the duration here. I give you 3 minutes, or you can create the short. So topic name is technology. Okay, and then you can use only stock medias. Okay, just keep it like this. You can background music, you can set the different language, voice actors, subtitles, all the thing is. So once you give the all the things like language, first and energetic, then simply tap on the submit button. So you can see, so all the things is here, and simply tap here this one, or you can give manually. I just, so it's analyzing, you need to wait. So they're thinking title tech innovations changing our world. So they create automatically. You can create shorts, explainer video, animated, or you can use your script. You can give a script, you can write your script, or you can take it from the ChatGPT or other things. So it's analyzing, then it's thinking. So now it's preparing, so you need to wait. So then you can set here different things like, okay, you can send the durations, look, feel, YouTube shorts, and tap the continue button. So it's wait, you need to wait, or you can tap here when it notifies, then you'll get here. But I just keep it like this, I don't know. It's preferring planning music. So device hard work, effect, performance, use a desktop for better result. So they recommend that you need to use a better, you need to use desktop to better, but I still hope on my mobile device. So here you can see it's preparing now. You need to wait. I just pause the video for time. So you can see here adding in the tracks. So how the process, so you will see all the things here. It's the best, it's 78% done. So it's not too much taking time. So you can see it's done. So now it's loading a preview, and after that you can download it. Okay, just wait a second to get the final result. So it's really simple. You can try it because of copyright issue. I don't know, I'm the free user. So if you buy the premium user, then you can get all the things.